I'm Hema, working as professor in the Department of Virology, Sri Venkateswara University. Today I'm going to introduce a course, General Virology. So in this particular course, I'm going to cover the topics of characteristics of viruses, virus taxonomy, virus structure, virus cultivation, virus transmission, virus replication, virus detection, and virus control. So, with respect to the general characteristics of viruses, I'm going to cover the salient characteristics of viruses in such a way that we will be able to differentiate the viruses from other pathogens. And to show you the diversity of viruses that are present in the universe, where we are going to cover the classification of viruses with respect to International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. So this is the standard classification which will give you the viruses, different viruses with respect to vertebrates, invertebrates, plants, fungus, as well as bacteria. And then with respect to the structure, we have different types of viruses. So I'm going to take one example of each type and explain the structure of virus in this particular module. Then, with respect to the virus cultivation, we will try to understand that how the viruses are propagated, as we know that virus needs a cell. Only inside the cell, only the virus can propagate, and then we need to understand what are all the modes of cultivation, so that we can have an idea about the multiplication of viruses in the future topic. And then virus transmission. So we need to understand the modes of transmission, how exactly the viruses are transmitted, and what are all the routes that they are taking to transmit. Is such an important information one has to have. Then, with respect to the virus replication, so once entering into the cell, what exactly is happening with respect to virus replication, how it is entering and how it is multiplying inside the cell, and how it is coming out of the cell. And these are all different steps which are involved in the virus replication. And in this module, I'm going to cover all those important steps with respect to virus replication. And in the virus detection, so to have proper control strategies, we need to have proper detection methods. So there are different types of detection methods are available for viruses. So one has to have an idea about these detection technologies to come to a point where we can control the viruses. So into the virus control strategies, so we need to have biological control methods, chemical control methods, and for that matter, we need to understand that prevention is better than a cure, and it is very important to understand this particular slogan for virus control, because there are not really good control measures are available, especially for viruses.